Hi friends, it has been 2 days now since we have put the video of Bella and you've seen the serious condition that she was in. But now we are started to give her medications that has been prescribed by the doctor, and you can see Bella is responding to her medications well. She is starting to improve but still in a very serious condition. She has contracted the disease which is known as canine distemper, also known as footpad disease. This is a very deadly and painful disease. We can see Bella every night, every time crying, screaming out of pain. It is a contagious and serious disease caused by a virus that attacks the respiratory, gastrointestinal, and nervous system of puppies and dogs. Normally, puppies who are below 4 months old, and dogs which are not vaccinated, so basically street dogs. The animal gets infected through airborne exposures like coughing, sneezing from an infected dog. It can also be transmitted by shared food and water bowls. So this is just to keep you aware of the disease, because most of the dogs are contracting this disease nowadays, and 80% of them are not surviving it. This disease leads to death. It is a sure death disease and a very painful disease even if the animal survives. We are not giving up on Bella. You can see she is not fully okay. She is not recovering. She is still, but she is responding to her medications in a better way, and she is also not giving us trouble. She's obediently taking her medicines, and as long as she is ready to fight the sickness, we are ready to help her and stay with her. Bella is a fighter, a real fighter, I must say. We can see the pain she's undergoing every day, the screams and the shouts and in her eyes, but yet she's not giving up hope. She is responding to medication. We have been told that this disease would 80% kill the animal as well and leave them in the same situation even if they do recover. But as long as Bella has hope and Bella is ready to fight a sickness, we are ready to stand by her. But we are now looking for an isolation center so we can put Bella there and she can get better treatment and care and help her come out of this disease as soon as possible. The only reason being there's a number of stray dogs around this area as well, and we don't want the disease getting transmitted to another dog and seeing them suffer the same way. But if we do not get any lead or we do not get any contact to anyone coming forward to help us from an isolation shelter or a shelter, then we would no doubt take care of Bella. She is the one who is inspiring us to get her better, because she is never giving up. But in case you have any leads and you know anybody who is running a shelter who can help us, get in touch. Please ask them to contact 861-8890-889. All those who have supported us with funds, thank you so much for your contributions, and if anyone is still willing, your funds are highly appreciated. As you see that medications have to be given, there are a few good Samaritans who are coming forward every day to give her medications, to clean her. Her food is being provided by good people, and also every day we need to change her beds and her bed linen, her bed sheet, because she needs to be warm and clean so that the shivering doesn't continue on and on. So we pray that you would continue to pray for Bella, for her recovery, and you would keep her in your mind and in your prayers, if nothing at all, so that she gets well and comes out of this disease that she has contracted as soon as possible. You can see how the residents and the locals of this area, Jaksandra we are in, are coming forward and helping to give Bella her medicines, to clean her, to ensure that she's having a clean, dry and a safe place to rest in. We're also looking for some people or somebody who would volunteer, who would help us build a little shed for her so we could put her into the shed until we get a lead or a contact from any isolation center. So we want to keep her in. So if there's anybody who is volunteering to help us build a little shed or home for Bella, please do contact us as well. Please take this video as an awareness because a lot of dogs are getting affected and are dying with the same disease. I've heard in this area itself around 3 to 4 dogs who couldn't get help have passed away or died with the same virus. So I mean, if you find any symptoms or any dog who's suffering like with the shivering and froth coming out from the mouth, the eyes pussing, please contact a shelter, a doctor, or even an isolation shelter if you have a contact in hand, and help save these animals. I know it's a very painful process for them. They are undergoing a lot of pain, and as long as they live they will undergo it, but if they are ready to fight, we have hope. And all these people who are coming forward to take care, to help and to look after Bella are all pet owners. They all have pets at homes, and knowing the seriousness and danger of this virus and sickness, they are still coming forward, helping to take care of Bella and not even worrying about what would happen to their pets. So a very big thank you to all these good Samaritans for the great work they are doing in helping us take care of Bella. And I would also like each one of you to pray for her to come out of this sickness, to come out of this pain, and to recover as soon as possible.